world is changing rapidly. Severe weather is becoming more frequent. Carbon reduction goals are driving cleaner energy. Our reliance on electricity creates a higher demand for 24/7 power. The power grid must evolve to meet these changes. Although the distribution system is most vulnerable to weather and energy demands, it is essential to delivering power to homes, businesses, and critical infrastructure. It's time to ask, what does the future distribution grid look like? Can we reduce the cost and complexity of outages, solve sustainability and resiliency challenges, and prepare the grid for greater electrification? At S&C, we believe we can, and that work is already underway. Building a more resilient system requires a comprehensive approach. The grid needs complete coverage with modern technology from the substation to the grid edge. Feeders are the backbone of the grid. A fault on these lines affects hundreds or thousands of people. Undergrounding reduces exposure to faults, especially in severe weather and for critical infrastructure. Robust switchgear helps harden the grid. Protective devices on overhead feeders must navigate a more dynamic grid. They need to segment lines, reroute power, and protect underground circuits to mitigate outages and improve resilience. On overhead laterals, most faults are temporary. Fault testing devices avoid unnecessary outages. These solutions provide end-to-end protection for lateral lines, save O&M expenses, and improve customer satisfaction. On underground residential distribution circuits, self-healing technology can isolate faults and restore power, resolving high-impact outages for customers and hard-to-find faults for crews. The energy transition and the threat of severe weather require rapid and holistic grid modernization. Get complete coverage for your system and build a more resilient grid with S&C's innovations.